In a world where money is melting, and trust in institutions crumbles, a new financial battleground is forming, not in the halls of Congress, not on Wall Street, but on the balance sheets of public companies. And right at the center of it all, Donald Trump, Michael Saylor, and the most powerful idea of the 21st century, Bitcoin. Welcome to the show. Today we peel back the curtain on a real-life financial thriller. Is Trump Media and Technology Group copying the MicroStrategy playbook? And if so, is Bitcoin now more than sound money? Is it becoming a political weapon? Let's begin. In 2020, as the world locked down and the Fed printed trillions, one man made a decision that would shake the financial system. Michael J. Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, put Bitcoin on the company's balance sheet. Not a little, not a test. He went all in, billions in convertible debt, 0% interest bonds. Software revenue fueling a Bitcoin acquisition machine. MicroStrategy became the first corporate Bitcoin vault. And MSTR stock? It turned into a leveraged Bitcoin ETF with a NASDAQ listing. He called it a thermodynamically sound money system. Others called it madness, but it worked. Now fast forward to 2024, Trump Media goes public, ticker DJT, mission freedom of speech, anti-woke, pro-sovereignty. But underneath the noise, something deeper is brewing. Trump starts talking about Bitcoin, sound money, ending the Fed, fighting inflation. Then rumors fly, Trump Media might put Bitcoin on its balance sheet, digital gold for digital freedom, make Treasury great again. It sounds familiar, too familiar. Is Trump Media copying MicroStrategy's blueprint? Let's look at the facts. MicroStrategy used equity raises, convertible debt, software cash flow to buy Bitcoin. Trump Media has a SPAC listing, political capital, a populist megaphone, no software business, no profits, but plenty of attention. And attention is a currency. And if that currency is used to raise cash, and that cash is used to buy Bitcoin, then what you have is MicroStrategy 2.0, with flags, rallies, and red hats. Let's break down the game theory. Use fiat to buy Bitcoin, hold BTC on corporate books, let the market price your company as a Bitcoin vault, ride the Bitcoin cycle to inflate your equity, and use that inflated equity to buy even more BTC. That's Saylor's flywheel. But here's the catch. MicroStrategy had cash flow and tech credibility. Trump Media has brand and controversy. If DJT adds Bitcoin to its treasury, it may spark a wave of Bitcoin-aligned political capitalists. But without fundamentals, is it a revolution or just financial theater? If Trump adopts Bitcoin, it becomes more than a hedge. It becomes a statement, a weapon in the ideological war. Imagine this, red states adding Bitcoin to state treasuries, DJT raising capital via Bitcoin-backed bonds, Bitcoin as a campaign talking point, the dollar versus Bitcoin, not just as currencies, but as worldviews. This is no longer about numbers on a ledger. This is monetary rebellion wrapped in a MAGA hat, and it's working. Will Trump Media actually buy Bitcoin? Maybe. Will it work? Only if they have the conviction to hold through the chaos. Because Bitcoin tests everyone. It tested Saylor, it tested Tesla, it even tested El Salvador. But if Trump Media embraces it, and survives, it will mark a new era where corporations aren't just tools of profit, but weapons of narrative. And Bitcoin is the story they tell. This isn't just finance, this isn't just politics. This is the future of freedom, balance sheets, and belief. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you believe in sound money and bold ideas. Drop a comment. Will Trump Media become the next MicroStrategy, or the first Bitcoin-powered political empire?